Hello. So it has been a while since I've gotten a Jeffree Star box. So I saw on Instagram that he was posting another mystery box, and they were gonna come out, and this is the last box of the year. And I absolutely love Halloween. Halloween is probably one of my favorite holidays. I don't even know if it's better than Christmas or not, but I wanted to get the box. Now I got the middle box, which I think is the Deluxe, is from what I remember. I know there's like the Supreme and then there's the Deluxe, and I can't remember it. But I am gonna open this up. One thing he did guarantee is it does say it has his new palette in there, which is nice, because usually people always get mad because they get like the same old palettes they have. Luckily for me, I've only had one repeat palette, but it was my favorite palette of them all. It was the Jawbreaker, and I'm totally fine with that. But it is one of his new palettes, so I'm here to dig in. I love the box. I absolutely love the box. It's black. It's got the butcher knives on it, and then it's got his like mystery and then his symbol. So I am super excited to see what we got. So this sample is called Skin, I think. No, is it? Oh, Jeffree Star Skin. Oh, I wonder if that means he's coming out with a foundation or something like that. That's cool. Aw, sweet. So the first thing I see is a bag. I don't know if this is a messenger bag. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a makeup bag and a bat. Right? It could be any kind. It could be a purse. It could be a makeup bag. I don't care. This is freaking awesome. I absolutely love it. It's bats. And it's kind of got like the vampire teeth on the thing. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. I don't think that'd be a clutch. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know what that would be, but I'm gonna use it probably as an awesome makeup bag. Okay. We're gonna dig in and see what we got. Yes. This is by far my favorite lip balm. This is Diet Shane, where it's the bullet. And it's the root beer scent of the lip balm, and it's just, I absolutely love this. I've already like gone through, I have like very little left of the one I have, and then I have like another one, but I absolutely love this. I love it. Okay, so the next one we got is the gloss, and this is 6 feet under. It looks like it's like a blackish glitter. So let's just open it up. Ooh, this would be perfect like to wear on Halloween. That is gorgeous. I ordered this about a week and a half ago, and it just finally showed up. That is gorgeous. It is like a black lipstick, but with like glitter on it. That is pretty. I love that. This is perfect to wear. I'm totally wearing that. I love it. And then we got a couple more samples. I think there's 10 samples in here. I don't remember. But here is the new palette that he said that was in here, the Weirdo Palette. I absolutely love the colors. A lot of them are like the black, and there's some reds in here, but they are perfect. So we are going to open this up. Why is it like, where do you open it up at? Okay. So yeah, you could have gotten this palette individually, or you would have gotten it with your box, and I'm like, why not? Let's just get it. So here it is, Weirdo. It's nice and shiny. And here are the colors. So we got like we got a pink called Mohawk, Razor Blade, Glamour Shot, Punk Couture, Weirdo, Only Child, 1985, Freak Show, and Scene Queen. I love those colors. I absolutely love those colors. I love his palettes. Love it. Ooh. So here is another Halloween related one. This is a Velour lip scrub in Witch's Brew. So let's see what the scent of this is. Oh, I forgot to smell. Oh, whatever. Okay, this is pretty. We got the Velour, the nice little thing. It's got, nope, it doesn't have the thing, but it says Witch's Brew. Oh, it smells like black licorice. It's like a green. Oh, it smells like black licorice. I absolutely love black licorice. So far, I am like happy with everything that I got. And it looks like there's like another palette in here that hopefully I don't have. So here is a velvet trap. I think this is his new stuff. Dominatrix. How do we get this open? This one I don't know. I haven't been paying attention to a lot of his boxes lately, or his new product, just because I have enough of it. But ooh, so we got like a nice little, you know, the bullet lip thing. And this is like a brown lipstick. Not really my color, but I mean, yeah, so got that. Okay. Hey, baby. Yeah, hold on, give me 1 second. And the next one is Weirdo of a liquid lip. I hope this is not one I have already. Weirdo sounds so familiar, but maybe I'm just losing my mind. It's a black lipstick. So here we got a black lipstick. I swear I already got, it's not a lipstick, it's like a liquid lipstick, but black. I like it because then you can use this and then you can also use the gloss like above it. So that is awesome. So the next thing I see here is the open here for nudes. So we have the nude lip gloss right here. I'm not a big fan of these kind because like they're all like browns and stuff. I'm not really into this, so I might probably sell it or something, but we got all those little samples of the liquid lips. And then here is a palette. I'm hoping it's a palette that I do not have. So let's just dig in and see what, ooh. This is Blood Money, Blood Sugar. I do not have this palette. I love it, I love it, I love it. So here are the colors. Oh, sweet, I love these colors. So here are the colors. I do not have this palette, but I love the colors because these are colors that I will probably wear all the time. I love the purples. The neutral colors is something I've been kind of into, but I absolutely love this palette. I'm so happy I got this. I don't even know how much it's all worth, but I am so happy. And then it came with a shirt. I wear his shirt all the time. I absolutely love it. Last year was like a skeleton hand. So let's open this one up and see. So right here is my favorite color, purple and black. And awesome! It's a spider on the back. I think it says Weirdo, doesn't it? Or no? It's got his symbol on it, and then it's got the spider. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so we got the shirt. That's one. We got the Blood Sugar eye palette. So that is awesome. We have the nude lip thing. That's 3. We ended up getting the trap, the velvet trap. That's 4. The Weirdo palette. That's 5. I ended up getting the black licorice lip scrub. That's 6. The Shane bullet lip balm. I lost count. 7. And then we got the Weirdo 8. And the Pretty Black Lip Gloss 9. And then we got the Bat bag. I love this box. I don't know if this is probably my favorite box because I love it. I got another shade, which is absolutely awesome. I'm going to try this lip gloss on because I think this is really, really pretty. So let's just try it on. I got really nothing on my lips. It might be just like a regular clear gloss. I have like the one and it kind of blackens my lips. It's actually not really that bad. It's not like black at all. I like it. Yes! Got one that's not like I can wear all the time and it's pretty. Love it, love it, love it. So I paid $140 for this box. It is a little pricey, but they said you get like pretty much double. Like the box is pretty much cut in half. So anyways, I am so happy with what I got in this box. Yeah. So anyways, if you guys like some of this stuff, you can always check. You can always get the stuff individually. Some of this stuff. I think the one that's you cannot get is probably the lip scrub. And I don't know what else is exclusive. But I don't know. I'm super, super happy with what I got. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I just love getting a box. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time if I ever get another variety box. See you guys later. Bye-bye.